bitches. She standing tall, glamour call, a man's get caught. He landed fall, bought the coat to the Bronco that paying man and talk. Cause I'm not a bought the coat. Come on, I bought the coat to the Bronco that paying man and talk. Cause I'm not afraid to face the shooter's pop. I'm Shannon Sharp. Y'all see the Shannon Sharp. Y'all see the way I handle dog? Y'all see the way I handle dog? We all scrapping. Soon as you get your back in, we all jacking. If she don't have my money, I'ma leave Raven. Lamar Jackson. You start lacking. 50 mean like fuck Floyd. Silence on the gun. Sound like shh, shh. Don't make too much noise. I find your team in the field. And rush yours, find out what you bring to the table, then bust boys. She thought she paid the price, but I still got enough charge. I'll catch her in the house of the Lord. I'm going burst, blood all over the Bible. Yeah, nigga, I'm going berserk. Even had the crew up in the pews. And best believe they gonna work. Come down the aisle, everybody clapping. Shit looked like I joined the church. Pastor didn't know he was gonna want a hearse, cause he still had service. She tried to whine, I cracked her, yet I still had service. She tried to confess her sins. Thinking she still had purpose. It's funny, she thought she was going to mass, but it was actually a mass murder. Now